I'm Kate and I am originally from Poland, and I came to Swansea 3 years ago to start my degree. I think a lot of people don't realize how big of a step that is, because not only is it a challenge to just go to a place when you don't know anyone and it's not really your first language, but also Poland is not really a rich country, and I'm also from quite a poor family myself. When I came to the UK, I wanted my first semester to be just to get into it, and then I wanted to find a job. And then COVID started and there wasn't any jobs because everything was closed. I was really worried that that's going to be the end of my adventure in here. I was really depressed and I was not handling it well. And then I applied for the grant. When I found out I got the grant, it helped me basically just stay in the UK, because I had absolutely no money. I just felt like I could actually focus on my degree, not just stressing about what I'm gonna eat the next day. What I absolutely love about Swansea Uni is how supportive everyone is. And sometimes it's something silly, sometimes it's something bigger, but there's always someone that can help me. What I would like to say to people who donated money, it's not only thank you, because obviously I am very thankful, but also I wanted to tell them how much that means for a student, because no matter how much that is, and it might seem like not a lot, but for a student it's a huge change, and it doesn't matter the amount of money, it's just the amazing help for a student to keep going.